With PlaidCloud, you can build models iteratively and rapidly, deploy securely at scale, and keep control in the hands of the business. Connect directly to databases, APIs, or files. Join and transform data in iterative steps. Build, scale, and deploy models underpinned by powerful data science toolsets. Leverage highly scalable and responsive storage run on HANA, Spark, Greenplum, Azure, and others. Visualize model results in an intuitive web browser, or download executive summaries into predefined spreadsheet templates. Share results across global teams and, if required, post back to systems of record or to APIs. PlaidCloud is built for financial analysis. Start right away with secure environments which are ready to go in minutes under a software as a service or on-premise model. With PlaidCloud, financial analysts spend less time repetitively moving, joining, and manipulating data, and are empowered to spend more time on modeling and analysis. PlaidCloud is extensible and scalable, and keeps control with the business for sustainable solutions to complex financial problems. Fully traceable workflows underpin collaborative model delivery across global teams that meet the most stringent audit requirements. Open PlaidCloud directly from your web browser. On the home page, the workspace is clearly listed. A workspace is a team area where project and workflow outputs can be shared. An organization can have unlimited workspaces to segregate team outputs. An activity stream shows the latest updates within the workspace area. The list of projects within the current workspace is shown in the Project tab. A project can be thought of as an end-to-end financial analysis process delivering business value. At any point, I can download PDF specifications of a project or workflow. This provides a detailed audit trail for all transformations and logic contained within the process. By clicking the Workflows tab, the different projects in the workspace are selectable. Looking at an individual project shows that it is made up of a series of workflows. A workflow is the next level down in the PlaidCloud structure. It represents a runbook of activities to enable a process or part of a process. Clicking on an individual workflow shows the building block steps which make it up. Steps are iteratively added and represent data transforms familiar to business users. The details of any step can be analysed through a simple point-and-click interface. In this way, models can be sustainably built, all underpinned by a fully scalable architecture. The following demonstration shows some of the main features of PlaidCloud to build a simple model to collate car dealership sales data, cleanse quality issues, calculate sales in base currency, and visualize the results. Starting with loading data, SAP remote function calls or SQL queries can be made to import data directly from ERP systems. Additionally, files can be loaded or data can be accessed from external API-based sources. In the example union step, multiple source files of differing format are consolidated into one table. Target columns are aligned, and null values can be hard-coded where no data exists in the source. Data types can be amended or new columns added through point-and-click assignments. The collated set of data can be viewed by clicking on the table icon in Designer mode. This brings up the grid view of the data. The Explorer view allows for a quick analysis of the most common values within a column. From here, data can be easily filtered and quality issues for remediation identified. Reviewing this dataset, null address details, inconsistent state codes, and zip code formats will need to be cleansed. Scrolling to a numerical column, the Explorer view is seen to contain auto-generated statistics on the data, including highest and lowest values, column average, and sum. Selecting a subset of data that is of interest is quick and can then be reviewed within the grid view. If required, data can be downloaded to a spreadsheet or the set of filters saved as a data extract step within the model. The next workflow contains a series of transformation steps to remediate the data quality issues previously discussed. The workflow starts with steps to remove the decimal values from the zip code, which is then used to derive address information. The transformation step to remove lowercase state codes is performed by an expression acting on the state column. The expression builder provides information on available data points and transformations. A CSV conversion table is loaded to standardize inconsistent country naming between source files. Once loaded, this table is referenced to the source data by a lookup. The columns from each table to join on are defined, and the standardized country name is returned. After transformation, the cleansed data can again be reviewed in the Explorer view. Country names have been standardized, and review shows decimals are removed from the zip codes, state codes are all uppercase, and city information has been populated where previously missing. A currency rate table is added to provide the monthly currency conversion rates to USD from transaction currency. The rate is joined to the dataset, and a new column is calculated by division of two numerical fields within a step. If a more complex transform is required, this can be added using a user-defined function. Invoked within a step, this allows for custom Python or R code to be implemented for advanced data science use cases. With the results now in base currency and correctly consolidated, model output results can be posted back to an SAP ERP or exported as a spreadsheet. Summary tables can be created to group data for reporting purposes. Alternatively, the data can be viewed within PlaidCloud's integrated dashboarding environment. Here, dealership sales are represented on a range of map views. Average selling price versus recommended sales price is shown at a state level, and total sales by make is visualized with dealer location. A comparison of average selling price over time for the West region is shown next, also split by car make. A Sankey plot visualizes car sales by make and state and is filtered to focus on the Northeast region. Staying with the Northeast region, the relative number of cars within each city and dealership can be viewed on the left-hand plot, along with sales by make and type in the nested tree diagram. The results are filtered to show data for New York only. The map views automatically reflect the context from the previous tab.